So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new layer. Click on the second and then left click, select the paint bucket tool, make sure the foreground color is white, and now left click. So here it is to fill the layer with white. And now select the brush tool, left click, so select the brush tool, and now left click. So here are settings I'm using: the size 1000 pixels, the hardness 27, opacity 100, flow 100, and then change the foreground color to black. Press OK, and now just left click here in the middle, so here it is. And now go to filter, pixelate, and then select color halftone, and now make sure to reduce the angle 1, 2, and 3 to 0. So here it is. And now I'm just going to increase the radius to increase the size here of the halftone of the dots. So I think I'm going to leave it here, and now press OK. And now I'm going to remove the white color, so go to filter, other, and then select color to alpha. So the color here is black, so now left click and then choose the white color. To remove the white color from the layer, press OK, and then press OK. And now I'm going to create a new layer to serve as the background, so click on this icon here. I'm going to left click on the foreground color, select the white color, press OK, select the paint bucket tool, left click, place the background layer, the layer we created, under all the layers, and then place the women layer, this one here, place it on top of the halftone layer, this black here, and then right click on the women layer and then select clip in mask. So here it is, as you can see, it clipped our layer to the halftone shape. And now if you select the move tool, check the transform controls, so you can scale or rotate this layer here, the women layer. So for example, I will scale it up. So here it is, as you can see, it is always inside the shape, halftone shape. So I think I'm going to place it here and adjust. So here it is. You can also scale up or down or change the position of this one or the shape. So for example, I can scale it up. So here, as you can see, it shows more of the image, or scale it down. So I'm going to leave it here like this. And now if you want to move both layers at the same time, select the shape or women layer and then hold the shift key and then select the second one. So here it is. Make sure you're still on the move tool, and now can move them. So I'm going to center it. So here it is.